Welcome to the Spinning Planet video tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the news module within e107. The first thing you need to do is go to your website. Here's an example. We're working on First Financial. On the right hand side it's showing a summary of the news. So we need to go into the admin area. You can do that two ways. You can type admin after the last / at the end of your domain. We normally put it down in the bottom right hand corner of your website as well. I'm already logged in, so I've just gone straight in. Click on content and then down to news. This page may look different on your website, but these menus should stay the same. So we click news and then we click create news item. So now we want a title. I'm just going to copy this news item over here, but I'm going to change the title and go "You are an expert." And then we need a summary as well. And I quite like this sentence, so I'll just copy this one sentence across. This summary is what will show up on the front page, and then we need the article itself. Now we don't want to breach copyright laws, so we're not going to copy the whole article. We're just going to copy a couple of paragraphs, and then we're going to link to their website. If you did want to copy the whole article, then you should email the person and ask for permission, but we're just going to link to them, which is quite acceptable. So we'll go click, just do that again, click here to read the full article, and then we'll create a hyperlink off that to go to their website. So we'll go back over there, click up in the URL area up here, go Control A on your keyboard to select it all, and then Control C to copy. Go back to the website, select the text you want to be a link, and then click the Insert Edit Link icon. And we'll just Control V to paste our link in there, and we'll also tell it that when somebody clicks on that link it should open in a new window, because we don't want them to fully leave our website. Okay, so that would work and that would create the news article, but we want to be fancy. So we want to stick a little image in here. So I'll click Browse, the Image Browse button, Insert Edit Image. And then this is the Browse icon to be able to upload and choose images. Now this screen may look different to yours because we're using a more modern version on this website. But most of the stuff is still the same. What you're looking for is the word upload. There it is there. And then you're looking for browse as well, to be able to browse for an image. So I'm just going to choose a small image that I've already got. It's got nothing to do with the article, but I'll just choose my Bryn avatar image, and then I'll click OK, and then I'll click my upload button. So that's uploaded the image. It's actually already up there, but don't worry about that. Click on the browse button so we can see all the images again. There's my image, and we give it a description. Try and be descriptive here because Google reads this stuff. It's in behind the website and it will help you with Google. So an example is if it was a news item, you might give it the same name, the same as your title, a name the same as your title. I also want to right align this image to the text so it sits to the right, and we can see what that looks like. That looks pretty cool. We're going to do something else that's a bit more advanced as well. We want an icon to show up on the front page, and we want the larger image to show up in here. So I click Upload Image, and then we want an image and we want it to create a thumbnail as well. So I click Browse, and I'm just going to use again, a generic image that I've got. I'll use a monitor. So I've got one here, Chime. I'll use that one, and we click open, and then we click the upload button. So now we've got two choices here. We want to choose the image for the thumbnail. Now if we choose the large Chime image, which is this one here, then when they go through to read the full news page, it's going to show the large image, but I don't actually want the large image because I didn't resize it before I uploaded it. So I'm actually going to choose the same image, but its thumbnail version that the system automatically created. So here it is here, thumb_Chime. So it's the same, but it's actually a smaller image. And then we click Post News to Database. Don't need to really worry about that stuff. And so now if I click on You Are an Expert, Here's our news items. See how it's got the thumbnail now, and then it's got my image there. If I go to the home page, it's also got the small thumbnail there and our brief summary. And so that's how you create a news item.